I am Supreme Court Advocate Ujjwal Anand Sharma. He is my partner, Supreme Court Advocate Prashant Shivarajan. We are partners at Lohmann and White. We have represented North Goa, South Goa Tourist Taxi Owners Association and Caritas Goa before the Competition Commission of India, where the Competition Commission of India has taken a suo motu cognizance on the basis of a complaint that our clients have indulged into anti-competitive agreements. On the basis of that complaint, they directed DG to investigate the matter, where DG specifically said and they held that our clients have indulged into anti-competitive agreements, and also directed CCI to impose penalty. We argued before CCI that the entire investigation was biased, it was without any material evidence. The right to protest, it's a fundamental right of our clients, and ultimately the CCI held in our favor that our clients never ever indulge into anti-competitive agreement, and the CCI also recorded the fact that there's already an app called Goa Miles, but the DG, while conducting a biased investigation, never mentioned about that app in the report. Thank you so much.